The Healthcare Equipment Recycling Organization, otherwise known as HERO, collects and redistributes donated healthcare supplies to those in need. Here to tell us more about their upcoming HERO Bash are Stephen Royce and Bridget Ertelt. To both of you, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
So, big bash coming up. Before we get to that, for people that aren't familiar with HERO, tell us a little bit about your organization.
So what we do is we provide affordable healthcare equipment and supplies to people, whether they're in need or whether they have finances but they just don't want to spend an exorbitant amount of money on healthcare. We all know healthcare is really expensive. So we're providing a way for people to have an option to buy something used, to buy something quality, and then to pay it forward to help somebody who can't afford it.
And this is kind of an example, too, of just some of the things that you have either collected or had donated to you. And one of the things you mentioned is it's not like it's going to be dirty sitting in your store. You know, you guys really take the time to check it and clean it.
Yeah, we try and make sure that everything that we have is really sanitized and really as close to new looking as we can make it. We really pride ourselves on that. And then if someone has a brake that's broken, they can bring it in and we'll do our best to fix it up for them.
So
if I'm in need of something, can I just show up? Do you guys have a store somewhere? Do I just show up and get it from you, or how does it work?
Yep, we're located South Fargo, 5012 53rd Street South, Suite C. And we have our retail centers open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We are closed on weekends, but we do try to make it accessible and easy for people to come find us and find what they need.
Yeah, they can always call too. Definitely, they can always give us a call and ask if we have something. If we don't, we can get them on a waiting list. And one of the neat things about how we're run is because we're a nonprofit, because we have events like this bash, we're able to waive the fees for people who have a verified medical need and who have a financial need. So if insurance won't cover it, but your doctor says you need it and you are on a very limited income, we can waive the fees. So last year we waived almost $84,000 in fees just for local individuals of Fargo-Moorhead and the surrounding area. It's about 1 in 3 people that walks through our door is receiving something at no cost, thanks to the people who support us at the bash and to the people who come in and support us by purchasing equipment at a discounted rate.
Because that's a great point. So what kind of equipment do you guys take? Anything and everything, or?
Nearly anything. If it's medically related, we don't take any prescription drugs. We will direct you to the Fargo Police Department or some other place where you can dispose of those properly. But if it's medical equipment, we don't like to turn people away. Whether it's a hospital bed, a wheelchair, a walker, crutches, walking boots, rehab items, lifts, all that kind of stuff, yes.
Wow.
Shower items.
All right, let's talk about the bash coming up on April 20th. What's happening?
Yes, the 14th annual HERO Bash is coming up on Friday, April 20th. And we have a lot of great items available. We've got a live and silent auction going on. We have over 150 silent auction items available, worth over $15,000. So we've had tremendous support from our local community businesses that have contributed to this year's HERO Bash. We also have some really amazing sponsors who have been loyal to us over the years: Sanford Health, Lamb Plastic Surgery Center, and MJ Capelli Family Hair Salons, and many more. But those are our top donors, and we just really appreciate their support. We also have some live entertainment this year. Kathy Brecky and the 42nd Street Band will be joining us. So we're really excited to add that to our bash this year. We have guest speakers from the community that kind of share how HERO has impacted them and how we're helping locally and globally. So,
well, I was going to mention that, you said $84,000 just last year alone for this community, but I think it's really neat. A lot of people haven't gotten to hear just how much you do too globally. So talk about that, because I know sometimes you do semi-trucks full of equipment.
Wow.
Yeah, last year we shipped over 200 pallets out of our Fargo warehouse. And those pallets went either to Minneapolis and then to a distribution center that that ships globally. It could be in Africa somewhere. It could be in South America, like Bolivia. It really does go all over the world. We have a little map in our store that shows kind of where the reach is of these supplies. There wasn't an outlet for them here. We couldn't sell them locally, but they can do good somewhere else. And so we really pride ourselves on that we're having a local impact, a global impact, and we're saving the environment while we're at it.
It's awesome. So how do I get tickets for this event?
You can go online, www.herofargo.org, or you can call us right at the store, 701-212-1921, and we'd be happy to help. Tickets are $35 in advance, $40 at the door.
Good
But
stuff,
it's
you
all
guys.
going to a good cause.
Keep up the great work, and thanks for being here.
Thank you.
All right, stay with us. We're going to wrap things up right after this.